Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're going to be opening and unboxing this UG08S from Valorise. These are going to be some wireless headphones. They're pretty dope. I really like these. They got 7.1 surround sound in them, noise canceling microphone, some RGB lights or some red lights on this thing. You get the dongle to pair to something if you don't want to use Bluetooth, such as your PS5 or PS4. Let's take a look at these real quick. They're really cool. I really like these things. I'm going to give these to my son, have him try them out some more, and let you know what he likes about them. So inside the box you get your warranty card, your extended warranty card, your dongle for USB, and a Class C is attached as well. That could go like on the bottom of your phone or into the PS4, PS5. The bottom of the phone would be if you don't want to do Bluetooth. The headphones themselves, really nice. The extendable microphone. Under this plastic piece right here, you're going to find a bag with your user manual. It comes with your USB to Class C charger and your aux adapter, which you could use inside the headphone right here. Now looking at these headphones, you have your USB Class C charging port, you have your power button, and you have the volume up and down, and your microphone off and on. On this side you have the M, which is I believe like a manual button. This will turn the actual 7.1 surround sound on or off, and it also changes the design of the light on the outside. Let's go ahead and turn these on real quick. You're going to hold the power button down for 3 seconds to turn them on. Now to enter the dongle mode, that's what comes as factory, so you don't really need to do much. Just plug your dongle into your PS5, your phone, or whatever, turn this on, you're already paired up. If you want to use the Bluetooth mode, you need to press your power button 3 times, and that will go into Bluetooth pairing mode. After you do so, you could use these things right up as Bluetooth, and you can see your microphone is retractable. When your microphone's on, you have a little green light. If you turn the microphone off, it turns the color off. Now, I'm going to pair this to my phone real quick and edit this up, and I'm going to show you what these actually sound like in the microphone. Alright, now we're going to turn the microphone on. You got your little green light on there, and I'm just going to go to record on here. So here is what the actual microphone sounds like on this headset. I really hope you guys like the way it sounds. If you end up purchasing these, make sure to go over to Scotty's Hobbies and let me know that you did. These are pretty dope. Again, I'm going to give my son this headset and let him use it on his PS5, and I'll give you an updated review after he lets me know everything he likes about this. Back to my actual microphone. I'm going to give this headset a try just as the sound, so I'm going to watch some YouTube videos and stuff and let you know how it goes real quick. So let's jump over to that. Okay. So I just listened to some YouTube videos on this thing, and the bass and the noise canceling on this is really dope. It's really good. I really like these headphones actually. If for some reason they're not satisfactory to my son, I'm going to go ahead and take these things back and use them myself. So when I'm sitting there in bed at night watching my videos, just kidding. These are going to be perfect for watching the YouTube and stuff before I go to sleep. But these things, Valorise UG08S wireless headphones, really dope. I would really recommend them to you guys. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.